Hello student, this is next module 4 statistical methods. So before going to the actual topic of this module, let us go through some basic formulas. So that is mean. To find mean for ungrouped data, that is equal to summation of x upon n. We are using this formula. And for group data in the form of frequency distribution, that is summation of fx upon f. F is the frequency. And or you can use this formula. And to find variance, summation of x minus x bar whole square upon n, or else this formula we can use to find the variance. And this is for the ungrouped data. And for group data, summation of f into x minus x bar whole square whole divided by summation of f. Okay. Then standard deviation, it is denoted by sigma, that is equal to root of the variance, or we can write sigma square equal to v. So alternative expression for the standard deviation is sigma square is equal to summation of x square upon n minus 2 x bar into x bar summation of plus n into x bar whole square divided by n. Okay. Or else, in short, you can write the sigma square is equal to summation of x square upon n minus x bar whole square. This is for ungrouped data and this is for group data. Sigma square is equal to summation of fx whole square upon summation of f minus x bar whole square. Okay. Now the actual topic starts from this statistical methods is, that is correlation. So this topic is deals with the data concerning independent observation. Basically, correlation means two. So when we study relation between two variables, we call it as correlation. Okay. Suppose if x and y are two variables, to find or to measure degree of relation, we use coefficient of correlation. Okay. So and it is denoted by the symbol r. And how to define it? Summation from 1 to n x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon n into sigma x and sigma y. So sigma is standard deviation and x and y are variables. This can be put in alternative form also, that is summation of xy whole divided by root of summation x square root of summation y square. And this coefficient of correlation also called as Pearson coefficient of correlation. So normally we are using this formula to find the coefficient of correlation. So there are some types of correlation, that is positive correlation. So when x increases, y also increases. It is called a positive correlation. And second one is negative correlation. When x decreases, y also decreases. It is called negative correlation. No correlation. X changes but no change in y. That is no correlation. And perfect correlation, when r is equal to 1. R means coefficient of correlation equal to 1. It is called perfect correlation. And one more correlation is line correlation. When we draw the values of x and y on this xy plane, okay, this is x and this is y plane, we get a straight line, that is called a line correlation. Okay, these are the 5 types of correlation. So next we'll go for the property of correlation. When r is equal to 1, r means coefficient of correlation is equal to 1, it means a positive correlation. When r is equal to minus 1, it means a negative correlation. When r is equal to 0, that is no correlation. That is coefficient of correlation, fourth property, numerically does not exceed a unity, that is ranging from minus 1 to 1. So these are the properties of correlation. Let us see the example